There are a lot of people who want different things in life. Supercars, a bigger house, money, glory, fame, and all of us want the good life, but only few of us have the chance to taste it, and the answer as to why that happens is pretty simple. In life, you don't get what you want, but what you are. It sounds weird to many of you, but let me break down the theory. If you are a boy who likes a girl, but you're shy and you're afraid to approach her, you have to realize that this girl is not going to be yours. But if you are the guy who is confident and will do whatever it takes to be with this girl, you will more than likely be with this girl, and that simply proves that in life, you don't take what you want, but what you are. Let me give you another example. If you want to run a new business, and you are afraid of failure, and you don't believe in yourself, and you ask me to be your business partner, why am I going to even consider working with you? Yes, you want to run a business, but you aren't ready for it. But if you are the guy who tells me that together we will make millions, why shouldn't I work with you? Remember, in life you don't get what you want, but what you are. Not what you want, but what you are. If you believe that you learned from this video, share it. And if you feel that you want to see more, please subscribe.